So for this next lesson, or exercise, I prefer to call it that, we're going to need some yellow cards, which are verb cards, and some, I guess you call them lime green cards, and those are pronoun cards, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make sentences with verb cards and these pronoun cards. The reason I do this is because when I ask my students, like you, to make sentences with verbs, they always end up using I. So it's I drink orange juice for breakfast every day. I catch the bus. I quit, or he quit his job. And so they use the same words all the time. But I want to change that around a bit and give you more of a variety of words to use with verbs. And verbs are action words, as you know. And if you don't know that yet, you'll find out sooner or later what verbs are. They are so important. Anyway, let's see what sentences we can make by matching some of these green cards to a yellow card. Let's take drink, which is a verb, and I can use this green card, just what we call an indefinite pronoun, but don't worry about the title, just we'll figure that out later. But I can begin, nobody drinks milk anymore. See, that was my sentence because I used nobody. What if I use someone? Someone drank, and notice I can say drank here, someone drank my soup last night. Somebody has been drinking my, I don't know, eggnog or soda, whatever you want to say. But you see, what I can say, we drink orange juice every day for breakfast. And I can use a variety of these pronouns before my verb. You get the idea? So I want you to choose 5 verbs, okay? I'm going to choose drink, shake, move, and let's see, fall, okay? Swim. So that's the ones I'm going to choose. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 here. And I can use any of the endings that come along with these verbs, all right? So I can use, like, it said swim, I can use swims or swam. I can use any of these endings. So let's use my card first, my green card, and I'll say she swims every day at 6 o'clock in the morning. Notice how I did that. Then I can choose another card, and I can say he swam 2 miles yesterday. All right? How about they? They swim every morning. And I can choose a variety of cards, but I don't want to use the same verb each time, so I can use a different verb. And I can say fall. They fell off the bike. You see what I'm doing? So I can use a variety of green cards and yellow verb cards to create these wonderful sentences, and we can look at them a bit later on. All right? Terrific. Go make some sentences now. Now, while I was away, one of my students said to me, hey, can't we use our own sentences? Do we have to use the green cards? And I said, no, you don't. You really don't have to use the green cards, okay? If you would prefer to just use your yellow cards and create your own sentences, that's fine. Just try not to say I slammed all the time, okay? So I can say the door slammed shut. The team won the championship. Mary slipped on the ice. So use names, use persons, use places or things. The wind blew very hard. James fought with all of his heart. Farmers feed their chickens every day. See, notice what I'm doing? I'm using a variety of names to create great sentences, all right? So yeah, you can just use your verb cards, make your own sentences. Just try not to use the same word before each verb all the time. All right, go have some fun.